then, yet another letter arrives, starkly different, terrifying and graphic. The infamous From Hell letter. Attached, a gruesome trophy.
The From Hell letter is startlingly different from the Dear Boss letter. Partly because it came with an attachment, and partly because it was sent not to the police or the newspapers, but to George Lusk, head of the Whitechapel Vigilance Committee.
If the From Hell letter was genuine, then our story takes another dark twist. We now have to ask ourselves, who exactly was Jack?